Think you've seen it all with syphilis. Let's refresh the essentials. Syphilis is caused by the spirochete Treponema pallidum. Transmission is primarily sexual, though vertical transmission can cause devastating congenital disease. The classic journey starts with a painless chancre in primary syphilis. If untreated, it progresses. Secondary syphilis brings rashes, mucus patches, and lymphadenopathy, while latent syphilis hides quietly. Tertiary syphilis, rare but serious, can strike years later, affecting the heart, brain, and more. Diagnosis: start with serologic tests, non-treponemal tests like RPR or VDRL, then confirm with treponemal assays. Always consider syphilis in patients with unexplained neurocardiac or dermatologic symptoms. Treatment is straightforward. Penicillin G is the gold standard with dosing based on disease stage. For penicillin allergies, doxycycline is an alternative except in pregnancy where desensitization is key. Bottom line, syphilis may be ancient, but vigilance and prompt management remain modern essentials. Stay sharp and keep those differentials broad.